Welcome to SR Flights. In this video about history of Java. The history of Java is very interesting. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at the time. The history of Java starts with the Green Team. Java team members, also known as Green Team, initiated this project to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, etc. However, it was suited for Internet programming. Later, Java technology was incorporated by Netscape. The principles for creating Java programming were simple, robust, portable, platform-independent, secured, high-performance, multi-threaded, architecture-neutral, object-oriented, interpreted, and dynamic. Java was developed by James Gosling, who is known as the father of Java, in 1995. James Gosling and his team members started the project in the early 90s. Currently, Java is used in Internet programming, mobile devices, games, e-business solutions, etc. There are given significant points that describe the history of Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. A small team of Sun engineers called Green Team. Initially designed for small, embedded systems in electronic appliances like set-top boxes. Firstly, it was called Green Talk by James Gosling, and the file extension was GT. After that, it was called Oak and was developed as a part of the Green project. Why Java named Oak? Oak is a symbol of strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like the USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java, because it was already a trademark by Oak Technologies. Why had they chosen Java name for Java language? The team gathered to choose a new name. The suggested words were dynamic, revolutionary, silk, jolt, DNA, etc. They wanted something that reflected the essence of the technology: revolutionary, dynamic, lively, cool, unique, and easy to spell and fun to say. According to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with Silk. Since Java was so unique, most of the team members preferred Java than other names. Java is an island of Indonesia where the first coffee was produced, called Java coffee. It is a kind of espresso bean. Java name was chosen by James Gosling while having coffee near his office. Notice that Java is just a name, not an acronym. Initially developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation, and released in 1995. In 1995, Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. JDK 1.0 released in January 23, 1996. After the first release of Java, there have been many additional features added to the language. Java is being used in Windows applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, cards, etc. Each new version adds the new features in Java. The release date of Java version, JDK Alpha and Beta, 1995, JDK 1.0 released on 23 January 1996, JDK 1.1 released on 19 February 1997, J2SE 1.2 released on 8 December 1998, J2SE 1.3 released on 8 May 2000, J2SE 1.4 released on 6 February 2002, J2SE 5.0 released on 30 September 2004, Java SE6 released on the 11th of December 2006, Java SE7 released on the 28th of July 2011, Java SE8 released on the 18th of March 2014, Java SE9 released on the 21st of September 2017, Java SE10 released on the 20th of March 2018, Java SE11 released on the 25th of September 2018, Java SE12 released on the 19th of March 2019, Java SE13 released on the 17th of September 2019, Java SE14 released on the 17th of March 2020, Java SE15 released on the 15th of September 2020, Java SE16 released on the 20th of March 2021, Java SE17 is upcoming version September 2021. Thank you.